Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Essie, and today I am back with another quick look for you guys. I think this look is just super adorable, quick and simple, and absolutely practical, especially now that prom season is basically about to kick in, and all the nice little black tie events that everyone's going to, or even if you're just a guest at a wedding. I think this look is definitely a thing. It's a bop. It's a vibe. And I'll actually be using Aunt Jackie's, hold up, what's this? Aunt Jackie's Soft All Over Oil, because the one thing about, of course, if you're gonna use a gel in your hair, you wanna make sure you have some kind of oil to avoid like flakiness or, you know, basically gel from flaking. That's what I'm trying to get to. And of course, I use some of the hydrating Seal It Up before I use the oil. My hair was already clean. It was just like plaited down into two flat twists that I was wearing for literally like about a day and a half because I didn't have time to do anything else with my hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how I get this look. And this right here is the baby that is featured because I definitely appreciate having a nice oil base on my you guys, I don't know what's going on with my voice, but I definitely appreciate having a nice little oil base situation before gel, just because the combination of gel and just super dry hair is just not a cute look. And of course you want to get some sheen in your hair, you want it to look fresh, you want it to look fun and practical and simple. And yeah, if you're interested in seeing how this look happens, just stay tuned.